Use a quick nursery plant dip before bringing potted plants indoors to remove pests effectively and safely. For a reliable insecticidal soap dip, mix 2 teaspoons of pure liquid insecticidal soap per quart of warm water and test on a single leaf for 24 hours before treating the whole plant. Apply by gently immersing the root ball and lower stems while supporting foliage so leaves are not torn, and allow a dwell time of 5 to 10 minutes to suffocate soft-bodied pests. For a botanical pyrethrin dip, follow the product label for dilution, which typically is 1 to 2 teaspoons per quart, and use the lowest effective concentration for small seedlings to avoid phytotoxicity. Mix fresh each use and never combine with alkaline solutions such as baking soda, which will neutralize the active ingredient. If you use a systemic dip product, only use ones explicitly labeled for foliar systemic application and for indoor use, because systemics can persist in potting mix and be absorbed by the plant. For most home situations, insecticidal soap or pyrethrin dips are adequate and safer. Always wear nitrile gloves and eye protection, treat outside or in a well-ventilated area, and keep pets and children away from treated plants until they are dry. After the recommended dwell time, rinse plants thoroughly under a gentle stream to remove residues and dead insects, then allow pots to drain completely before bringing them inside. Quarantine treated plants in a separate area for at least 2 weeks, inspect new growth frequently, and repeat a gentle soap dip only if live pests are observed to reduce plant stress. Common mistakes include using overly concentrated mixes, which can cause leaf burn, so always measure carefully and perform a patch test on one leaf and wait 24 hours to confirm no damage. Another frequent issue is inadequate dwell time or not rinsing afterward, which leaves residues that can harm beneficial insects or cause phytotoxicity, so adhere to label or guideline times and rinse gently but thoroughly. People often skip quarantine and introduce pests to the home environment, so keep treated plants isolated and monitor closely for signs of reinfestation, repeating treatment only when necessary. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide resources related to plant care and pest prevention. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and help contractors find work through project leads and homeowner interactions.